Well friends, I just made coffee and now I'm going to make the smoothie and then head to work. It is a little after, well, it's almost 6 o'clock in the morning and it is Friday. I'm stopped to get gas, but my gas tank opening flap thing isn't working. Put a little tab underneath my seat and then it's supposed to pop open so I can take the gas cap off. I think it's frozen shut. So I am going to need to be inventive on applying pressure there while pulling this, since I'm the only one in the car at the moment, which is kind of how things work. So that's why it's always good to carry a Leatherman. And I am going to use a screwdriver and leave this in so it adds force, so when I pull the thing, Leatherman falls, opens the door. Let's see how this works. So that, and let's see. And success. So that is a reason to always carry a Leatherman with you, because otherwise you have to get really creative. But the Leatherman is pretty much the best multi-tool ever. I have used it so many times to save so many things. I was at a wedding once, they didn't have a can opener. Leatherman. Saved the wedding reception. Well, relatively. They had pineapple because I had a Leatherman. So, word of advice, always carry a multi-tool. Now, time to go home. Today's Friday, so it's date night, which is my responsibility today, and I think we are going to do a really laid-back one of basically tea, chocolate, and a movie. My wife is awesome. She just made bread and rolls. Well, next on the list is to drink some coffee. Check. And fold some laundry. So I will spare you those details and I will see you tomorrow.